Yeah, my name is Natalie. I'm 36 years old. I'm coming from Nordrhein-Westphalia, Germany here. Werner an der Lippe, Kreis Unna. My start here at the academy was in September 2023. Why I choosing this academy was because I want to make the best progress and the fast progress I can have for my tattoo art. What I found out for myself, it's the best for me. Why I choose this academy was I liked this, how it feels here to me. It is like I come to a nice location to have, to make my drawings ready, have good conversations to other students, and this is a good, a flow, you know. My expectation was totally fulfilled because of, I'm feeling good here. I can do my work in my speed, and when I need help, I can always ask and look also with the other students how I can improve my skills, you know. From my feeling is I made really huge progress because of challenging myself with some drawings, and I never expected this fast progress what I did here, what I get here, and I'm so sometimes stunning, and it is cool. Yeah, the relationship to the students and the teachers is very friendly, like friendship, like we laugh a lot, and for me the academy is like I come here and meet other people who are also have the same skills or the same purpose like me, and that is where I can grow a lot. I can totally recommend this academy. Because find it out by yourself, come here and look what is the feeling for yourself, and when you feel good, then it's good for you, you know. I came here first time by an open day and had also a first lesson in drawing, totally free, and it was fantastic.